Hey guys, I wanted to take you on this journey of me becoming a digital nomad. So here I am at my first stop here in Medellin, Colombia. This is my apartment and it is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom in Medellin. This apartment is located on the 10th floor, and as you can see, the views are breathtaking. It's my favorite part of the apartment is coming out here and looking at this beautiful view. In a second, I'm going to show you guys that you can access the balcony from not only the living room but the bedroom as well, which is something else that I really love about this place. So here I am entering the bedroom from the balcony. Again, this place, I love it. It's so safe. There's 24-hour security, doorman. Guests have to have a ID or passport to enter, and I love that because it just makes me feel really safe being here. Here you can see the shower, one of my favorite parts of the apartment. If you open that little window at the top, you can see a view from the bathroom. Again, so here I am in Medellin, my first stop on my journey to become a digital nomad. And here's just a view at night of the skyline. The views, they're amazing. And the mud. So make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on this journey to become a digital nomad. Thanks guys.